If you are working on a Shopify website and that website uses the Dawn theme, you have done everything correctly to load the different font weights, but the font weights are not loading. Then this video might be helpful for you. I am inside the editor of my website. Here you can see inside typography, I have set pop-ins for my headings and also for the body. I have chosen pop-ins for a reason because pop-in has 18 different variations. So it will be easier for me to demonstrate the problem to you. I return to my website editor. Here you can see I have taken a custom liquid section. Inside the section, I wrote some code. You don't need to understand the code. I just add some heading tag with different font weights. I tried to load them on the website, but you can see there are only 2 font weights that are loading on the website. First 3 is showing the same font weight with no change, and the last 3 is showing the same font weight. There is no change between them. So we will see how to solve it. Let's exit from our editor and get back to the dashboard of our website. Here you can see we have a 3 dots button. Let's click and open it, and from there click on the edit code option. Inside the folder structure of the Dawn theme, you can see we have a folder called layout, and inside the layout folder we have a file called theme.liquid. Let's click and open it. Now let's scroll, and here on line 44 to line 48 you can see we have a liquid code block, and inside the code block we have assigned 3 variables, and these variables are used inside the styling. So this is the place where we need to make changes to load our other font weights. The code I used for this video has been uploaded on GitHub Gist, and the link will be provided in the video description. You just need to go to the description and click on the GitHub link, and this page will open. From here, I will copy this part first. Let me explain this part to you. First, these 4 lines are for the font weight. You can see I have font weight of 300, 500, 600 at 800, and I have also wrote a line to set italic to show you the process how to set italic font. So I will copy this part and then get back to my website dashboard, and here in the theme.liquid file I will paste my code in this place. Let's format it properly, and now I will save it and go back to my GitHub Gist, and I will copy the second part from here, and then I paste it after body font bold italic after this line, and let's edit the formatting. Now let's save it, and let's refresh our website. You can see now we have a thin font for 300, then a little bolder in 400, then 500, 600, 700, and 800. You can differentiate the change. If you are using other free themes by Shopify like Refresh, Craft, or Sense, you can use this method and solve the problem. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.